Welcome to the Daily Rant. Today's Daily Rant has to do with some of the development in Windows 11 over time. The fact that so many features that people want to have changes. One still, not really addressed feature is the start menu. And the fact that we're getting into, close to 4 years of Windows 11. This is incredible. We are getting close to 4 years of Windows 11 now. And very little has been done with almost all of the features that people want changed. And I blame that in a different way. I blame it on the fact that the AI push of Windows and Microsoft, they have taken a lot of the team that was working on Windows, working on different parts of the operating system, to really focus on AI a lot. And AI was the keyword all the time. And you look at how they're pushing all of the AI things and AI features like recall. Like right now, there are some of the new recall features that are being pushed again on ARM devices. And I mean, the focus and the work they're putting on these features is taking away resources from the rest of Windows. And unfortunately, most of what people want, they're not getting. They're not getting because Microsoft just doesn't have the resource to handle a lot of it at the same time. So they're focusing on what they want to focus on, which of course is AI. And it is kind of sad because Windows 11 already has a hard time getting its market share. After 4 years, it is very far from what Windows 10 was 4 years later. And yet, they don't understand that addressing some of the problems, some of the features people want to change, would probably help Windows 11 a lot. And another thing also is 24H2 being plagued with problems, it seems all the time. Why not refocus yourself into making Windows 11 what people want it to be? I think there's still time for that, especially since, you will want to have Windows 10 users move on. Microsoft should wake up and really sit down and address all of the things that people want and make sure that Windows 11, especially in the next feature update, 25H2, is as rock solid as possible. Make sure also that Windows updates get better. This is unacceptable at some point that there's so many issues right now. And this, I think, has a lot to do with the fact that not enough resources are put into making things good and too many resources into making things people are not ready to get yet or don't want yet. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.